Think the forex market is complicated? Well, there are simple ways to learn more. If you have travelled to another country where you have to exchange your money for the local currency, then you have already participated in the forex market. Different countries have different currencies. That's why we need exchange rates to help us convert one currency to another. Let's say you live in Australia and you will be going for a vacation in the US. You head to your local currency exchange shop to get some USD. With this rate, you can get 1,560 US dollars with 2,000 Australian dollars. But a week later, you realise that you won't be going to the US, and you go back to exchange all the US dollars back to Australian dollars. But the rate changed, and now you can get 2,080 Australian dollars in return. In a week's time, you have earned 80 Australian dollars just by exchanging the two currencies back and forth. And that's how people get profits, or losses in that matter, in the forex market. Multiple factors like interest rates, inflation, monetary policy, economic performance, and geopolitical stability contribute to the fluctuations in the exchange rates. While there are many different currency pairs around the world, some are more popular than the others. Major currency pairs are the most heavily traded as they represent some of the world's largest economies. They usually include the US dollar, and one of the most popular pairs is Euro-USD. It occupies close to 30% of the entire forex market volume. Minor pairs normally refer to ones that don't include the US dollar. They are also called cross-currency pairs. And there's also the exotics. Generally, they comprise of a major currency and a currency of a developing economy. On Mitrade, we offer up to 60 popular forex pairs that include the hottest majors, many of the popular minors, as well as the exotics that shouldn't be missed out. Enjoy zero commissions and competitively low spreads when you trade with us. Mitrade. Trading simplified.